Welcome to Technia TV. Hi, I am Dr. Sandeep Kumar. I am presenting here the topic research proposal. The research proposal consists of clear and concise statement of the problem. It is the hypothesis involved. It is also the significance of the problem, the definitions of the important terms, assumptions and limitations, and concerned literature review. It also an analysis of planned research producers and a time schedules. It is like an outline of a research project. The preparations of a research proposal is a significant step in the research process. A meaningful research work is likely to result only from a well prepared and well designed research proposal. There are certain important parts of the research proposal. The first point, the statement of a problem. This endeavors to focus on a acknowledged goal, gives direction to the research process. It must be limited enough to extend to make a specific conclusion likely. Second point, concerned literature review. A literature review survey comprise academic articles, papers, books, and other sources like project dissertations, conference proceeding related to a particular issue, area of research or theory, providing a explanations, abstract, and major appraisal of each work. The justification is to offer an outline of the noteworthy literature published on a topic. This step also helps to eliminate replication of what has been done and provides practical basis for the formulation of hypothesis and deciding the methodology of the study. The third point, that is the hypothesis. A scientific study is typically based on hypothesis. The hypothesis denotes the probable outcome the investigations. The formulation of the hypothesis in advance of the data gathering process is important for an unbiased investigations. The fourth point, the methodology and process of a study. This part of the proposal outlines the entire research plan. Under this part of the research proposal, population, sample, research design, statistical tool, and data analysis techniques are described in view of testing the formulated hypothesis. It depicts just what must be done, how it will be done, what will be required, what data collecting devices will be employed, how source of data will be selected, and how the data will be scrutinized and conclusion be drawn. The fifth point is the significance of the problem. In this part of the research proposal, researcher determines the answer to the questions or the explanation to the problem that may influence scientific theories or practices. Inferences of the finding of a study make possible to give the research project an importance and also validates its value. Sixth point, definitions, postulates and limitations. The problem statement of research study comprises some terms. These terms or variable should be defined properly. The variable of the study should be defined clearly and unambiguously in operational terms. A research study involves a variety of variables which play varied roles in the investigations. The functions of the variables depend on the assumptions of the study. The sample of the research study will be representative of the populations. The assumptions of the study vary study to study. The feasibility of a study depends on the delimitations of the study. A study is encircled to its variable, sample, research method, a statistical tool, and techniques of the study. These delimitations should be evidently mentioned in the research proposal of the study. The structure of the reports includes the list of chapters which will included in the final report. These are introductions of the research project, literature review, research methodology, research design, data collections, data analysis, and conclusions of the research study. Now, the last section is bibliography. The last part of the research proposal provides the list of references in the form of bibliography, which includes books, journals, and unpublished and published theses on the concerned area of the research of the study. I hope you have understood in a better way the research proposal. Thanks, and watch another Technia TV video for research methodology.